Got some chimps flying around this morning. Little helicopter. You can see it's got a camera dome under it as well. It doesn't look like the typical police one. It may be, but it's been circling. Let's get it zoomed in for you. There it is. It won't focus for some reason. There it is. This thing will not focus whatsoever. I'll be surprised if it's something they've done to it. Not focus. There we go. No, it still won't focus. Now it's trying to. Circling around. Plus they're doing the Revving to complement that as well. It's got a camera on it, whatever it is, but it doesn't look like a police one. It could be a police one, but it's fucking off now. It's fucking off now. I guess it